Want to know how to sign in to AngelList? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your AngelList website. So, you can just simply head towards angellist.com or download the application itself. So the choice is on you. So once you've done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And signing in is pretty simple. So in the top right side, you should be seeing something known as sign in right here. That will be right beside contact sales. So you can just simply click that. So now once you have sign in here, you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. So if you have already signed in, you should be either selected to set up a profile, or you should already be in the main menu, something like this right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. So this is how you can easily sign in to AngelList. So once you have done that, now you can just simply access your private funds, your products and solutions with pricing and much more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.